Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Joilcan tripod. First, take your tripod out of its travel bag. Gently unfold the 3 legs, ensuring they are fully splayed for a stable base. Next, find the quick-release flip locks on each leg section. Open these locks, extend the legs to your preferred height, and then securely close the locks. Remember, the rubber feet provide excellent grip on various... Now, let's fine-tune the height. Loosen the center column lock, then use the crank handle to smoothly raise or lower the column. This allows for precise adjustments, often adding up to 15 inches of extra height. Always check the integrated bubble level to ensure your setup is perfectly horizontal. Once satisfied, tighten the center column lock to... Next, consider adding text if it enhances your cover, always using a clear, legible font. It's crucial to maintain consistent branding with your overall Instagram aesthetic, ensuring a cohesive look across your profile. Carefully adjust the sizes and positions of all elements for a perfectly balanced and visually appealing layout. Aim for simplicity and impact. Finally, let's perfect your shot. Loosen the pan and tilt knobs on the 3-way head to adjust your camera's angle. You can achieve smooth 360-degree panning and 90-degree vertical tilting for portrait shots. For extra stability, especially in windy conditions, hang a bag on the hook beneath the center column. Once everything is perfect, tighten all knobs to lock your setup securely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.